Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to track support requests from email and social in your free Freshdesk. First, connect your support email. Go to Admin on the left. Select Email. Click Add Email Address. Add your email, like support@yourcompany.com. Click Add. Emails to that address become tickets automatically. Now, for social channels like Facebook, go to Admin and select Social Sign In. Click the icon for the channel, like Facebook. A window opens. Log into your social account and click Allow. Repeat for each channel. Once connected, social comments become tickets. They appear in your tickets page. To see a ticket source, open any ticket. Look at the details on the right. See a field called Source. It says email, Facebook or Twitter. Reply to any ticket from inside Freshdesk. Write your response in the reply box. Click Send. Freshdesk posts it as a social comment or sends an email automatically. And that's it. You've connected email and social. All requests are tracked as tickets with their source labeled in one dashboard. If this unified your support channels, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.